Clearing the cache ensures you're always utilizing the most recent version, and there is no need to worry about its removal. But over time, the websites and application you use will recache the data on your computer. So if you ever feel it's time to clear the cache on your Windows 11 computer, you can follow these steps provided in this video. Firstly, utilize disk cleanup to remove unwanted cache. You can do that by searching disk cleanup on your computer, select it, click on Clean Up System Files at the bottom left, check the desired files to erase, and then confirm the action. Another method is to search for Run on your computer, enter this path, and then press OK to clear the cache. Now a blank box will appear and disappear, and this will mean that the process was done correctly. Clearing the cache from your Microsoft Edge is also a good idea. You can do this by opening the browser, go to Settings, select Privacy and Services, click this option, and then check the boxes for the desired items to clear the browsing data window. Now suppose your location cache is something you can live without. In that case, you can erase it by going to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and make sure your location is turned off. And that's all there is to it. By clearing the cache, you get rid of outdated data and always work with the latest information on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.